Thank you very much. My name is Leonard, the CEC for Agriculture, Livestock, Fisheries and Veterinary Services, Nakuru County. We know the 3 counties, this program for pyrethrum revitalization is key, and the goodwill that we have exhibited from the leadership, that is the governors, Her Excellency the governors for the 3 counties, is enough testament that we really need to strengthen the systems, starting with the policies that we have, seeing into the market systems, and also making sure that now we have our farmers access those good planting materials so that we can have enough flour for the market. Every county now is doing their part to make sure that they increase the acreage under the flour. So we expect a lot, and we look forward to even partnering with more investors to be able to see diversified for flour. For Nakuru County, for sure, that is what I know is that we've started very well so far. We've issued about 27 million seedlings, and we have a plan to ensure we continue giving out the seedlings. We are targeting about 12,000 to 18,000 farmers per year to be enrolled in this program, and we've set aside a budget to see that we issue seedlings in the short trains that we have now. We are currently having, we have plans